Hey guys, I'm out doing my chores, and I just got done doing the Bucks water, and these two are the Bucks. I'm going to go and show you guys them. This one is Yoda. No, Sven. He's a buck. And this is Yoda. And he is also a buck. I just got done doing their water. So, excuse me. So, I had to close the door like that far when it's daylight out still. And where I live, it's raining. Sorry you guys can't barely see me because I forgot to turn on a couple lights. So, yeah, I'm going to turn on a light so that you guys could see me better. Now, I'm just doing my rabbits now. This is one of my rabbits. This is also one of my rabbits. I have 4 more. Technically 5 more. Here's my rabbit. Here's also a other. Here's a other. Here's a other. And the last 2 were Polish. Then this one, and this one are New Zealand white. Both, and the other one that's in the house is a Dutch rabbit. And Polishes are easy for me to show for fair. Yeah, I think I'm going to have one of my cousins video it of me showing. Bye.